Do you want to know how to make a rice mask for face that actually works? Today, I'm showing you the exact rice mask recipe you need for that viral Korean glow. This rice mask for glowing skin is amazing because it naturally brightens your complexion. It's also gentle enough to be used as a rice mask for acne treatment. First, take 2 tablespoons of raw rice. Rinse it once to remove any dust. So the next step is to soak the rice. Pour in half a cup of water. Let it sit for at least 4 hours. See how the water turns milky? First, we need to strain the water. Now, put the rice in the blender. Blend until it's a smooth paste. You can add a teaspoon of honey to this paste for extra nourishment. Apply this thick rice mask. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes. Gently massage in circular motions. Rinse with lukewarm water. Try this rice mask twice a week and watch your skin transform. Subscribe to Keiichi Beauty for more simple DIY skincare hacks.